I started doing car stereo in high school, which was, for me, 30 plus years ago now. It just started in my parents' garage, and we had fun with it. It was something fun to do, and it kind of grew from there because what we did is, I'd do a couple stereos for my buddies, and they would show their other buddies, and they would all come over to my house, and I kind of learned my skill from just trial and error. I've been an owner here now for about almost 10 years. And it's always a pleasure to deliver something that people really enjoy and like. What makes us unique at the products that we offer is we're an authorized dealer for everything that we sell. I'm a big Kenwood dealer. Kenwood's one of our core brands. We sell tons of Kenwood products. We understand the products. We go to trainings from Kenwood. And when we make the recommendations for our client, it's based on all of that knowledge that brand brings us. Our second big brand would be Rockford Fosgate. We sell lots of Rockford Fosgate. It's a brand that's been around for many, many years with subwoofers and amplifiers and speakers. So 2 years ago, we'd always advertised in the Valley Press, and I always kind of wanted to be a part of AV's Best somehow, some way. 2 years ago, they had a category for auto accessories, and that was 2018, and we actually won that. I was like super excited to win that. So this year we won it again, so back to back. So 2019, we got a new plaque to put up on the wall with our other ones, so we're just going to keep it going. A really good reward that we know that we're doing a good job and we're taking care of our clients, and people love us.